Power target trades, power trigger trade. All right, people, I got DIS on the block. I like what I'm seeing. And of course, I'm also going to be waiting for confirmation, right? So DIS is set up to test 109 to 111. That's right, people. And I will explain the facts inside the video. That's right, people. So as you can see, this needs to. I will explain inside the video the facts. I will explain about the key options inside the video. That's right, people. So what I'm going to be doing is, this is kind of like a heads up of one of my plans here, which is DIS. However, we are going to wait for confirmation, okay? And we're going to use specific options that I think are going to be the best to capture some great gains in DIS. Nothing, some good gains. At least 100% gains, okay, in the correct options. Now, how to become a member inside of PowerGroupTrades, I'm going to show you something. I want to show you some great information, what you want to be doing if you want to be coming inside my group, especially if you're serious about making money in the markets. First things first, you want to make sure you're following me on Power Trigger Trade, right? Confirmation is key, right? Also, people, what you want to do is you want to read my pinned tweet over here. But basically what you want to do is also sign up to my YouTube channel, because there's a lot of great information there. Let me show you what I mean here. Let's go together. Let's go. All right, people. Welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post great detail. But listen, people. Like the banner says here, confirmation is key. That's right, people. I just posted a great winning plan in BA. I'm going to actually post that winning plan for you right inside this video, people. It's a great video to review. Also, people, you want to study my created playlist, and you want to come to my live streams, because in the beginning of my live streams, I'm going to explain how to become a member inside of PowerGroupTrades. So you basically want to study my videos. You don't want to become a member unless you like my work and you're serious about success. It's not for the lazy people. It's very simple stuff to do, but I'm looking for the serious people. I'm not looking for the clowns out there. You know what I'm saying? Lots of stock clowns out there. They're just never going to make it. They're never going to make it big in the market like yours truly, Power Trigger Trade, and who follows me. Oh yeah, people. That's right. So listen, people, listen. You want to go listen. I got a lot of great videos for you to see. Look at. Let's go to my website together. I want to show you something. It's a powerful story. Come with me, people. Come. Ah, look at this. Oh, beautiful. Oh, look at that nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, beautiful. Listen, people. This is Power Target Trades, the website. See, I have this. This is a great story, Google L. 600% gains, people, okay? I had a plan for Google L, okay? And basically, the options cost $500 on confirmation, $560 on confirmation, right? Around that area. Hit a high of $4,000 a piece, $4,400 a piece, people. One of my followers, group members inside of PowerGroupTrades, sent me $1,000 gift because he was so happy in the gains he made. If you wanna see why I'm the big picture expert, you wanna study this video. When we catch gains, we catch massive gains, just like massive gains we catch in BA in this difficult market. Market's been choppy, people, but massive gains in BA, massive gains in Google L. Let's go back to Power Target Trades, people. Let's go back. Come on, people. All right, so here we are back at Power Target Trades. So like I said, people, I'll give you, if you look through my videos, what you'll find, you want to find the last one, May 16th. I'm going to be doing a live stream tomorrow. I tend to do live streams mostly on Wednesday. Okay, so you want to subscribe to my channel so you get the heads up too. Get the bell when I'm doing something. It's usually about 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time when I make the live streams. So subscribe to this YouTube channel, study the videos, and of course study my created playlist. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, get one. Come here, subscribe manually. If you have one already, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe. See this picture of me? You're going to see it in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. All right, people. Let's see what I say. Power Trigger Trade Samuel here, the big picture expert. You want to study my created playlist on the bottom of my YouTube channel. You also want to subscribe. A lot of great information here on
PowerGroupTrades. You can also find my website link. And don't forget, there are live streams on my YouTube channel. So you want to subscribe for a whole bunch of reasons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like